Welcome everyone to part 2 of the Blue Mountains Loop. This video we actually start at Oberon and take off out to Blackfellows Hand Cave, where we spent a good hour there and have a really good look around. It was awesome because it was raining while we were there. Enough rain not to drown us out, but it gave us a really good feel of how beautiful the place is. From there we head out to Bathurst, and we do stop on the way a few little spots and go around Bathurst track before our accommodation at the Hallows. From there we get up in the morning and head out to the Bridle Trail and look around for the old mine shafts, and I send the drone out from Monaghan's Bluff and I try and find where the landslide was. I had a fairly good idea where it was because I'd actually been there way before Monaghan's Bluff had been built. And we pull up and blow me down. I send the drone straight out and we're basically above the landslide. So
yeah, cool. It's pretty good, isn't it? That's incredible. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're just going to head back to Bathurst now. Brendo's never done a lap around Bathurst, so he's going to do a lap around there. Then we're going to head to our accommodation. It's getting fairly late. I'll just have a bit of a break, mate, eh? You got any more Kit Kats left or what?
No.
Someone's run out of fuel. Oh, the shame. The shame. You run out, dude, have you?
What a perfect place to do it.
Not a bad spot.
I was coming up here and I was going,
Oh man, spewing. Righto, well, I'll go and get you some fuel, mate. I'll go and get you some fuel. Oh, convent, is it? Righto. Just going to do the bridle track again, only because there was a few things we missed out on last time, which were mentioned or pointed out in my last upload. So we're just going to check a few things out. Well, I don't think you can get through. There's no way you can get through the old bridle track. The old bridle track's just here. You can see where the stone wall is. So that's the that's where we stopped, and last time they pushed all that rock onto that track just here. So yeah, no, it is impassable now. Like, you can't get through it. It's amazing. Might pull her up here, I think. Hey, hey mate, hey, did you guys go through the water crossing?
Not this morning.
Okay, what was, did you go, how about yesterday? Did you go through it at all?
The horseshoe one or
the concrete one?
Nah, fine.
Fine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was hoping it wasn't up.
It's only about.
Ah, beautiful.
You won't even get the underside of your bike's wet.
Oh.
Nah, but I'm the last.
You're the last? Okay, thanks champ.
Sorry.
There you go, easy. Hey boys, how you doing? Mate, there's supposed to be some mine shafts around here. Do you know where they are?
No. First time we've been here, mate.
Fuck, I tell you what, I reckon they're not far from here.
There's a, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I'm going to go over there. I reckon that could be it. It could be it over here, mate.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking it's we're not far from that bloody road. And we're coming around the corner. It looks like there's something down here. Go and have a look. Thanks, boys. Might have been a little house, mate. Doorway.
If you walk up again, I'll hide.
Righto.
Welcome to my abode.
Mate, you probably need a roof plumber.
There's a bit of work, but
in progress.
in the current climate, so you can afford. Yeah.
Yeah, well the one the guide would be talking about would be the one we rode past on the road. And he said you could see it in the video. Yeah.
What, on the road?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How far would that be, you think?
2K.
A K?
2K.
2K. There you go. Awesome.
Well, look, thanks
Well, coming this way you won't see it. Going that way you'll see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll go nice and slow. We'll see it. Thanks, mate. Appreciate it.
Right.
Looks like this could be it. There it is there. There you go. That's it.
Right, you go in.
I won't be going in that. That isn't easy to find at all unless you're looking for it.
Yeah. Not that thing. There's a bit of room in there.
I'm just going to go here just for a little bit.
Yeah, we're just going through this section fairly slow. Oh, good on you, Brendo. To look around for these mine shafts. Obviously, there's only one of us looking for the mine shafts. Yeah, good on you, mate.
You got a bit of mud on you.
What happened here? Did I get you? Do you want to get... It seemed like you're a bit aggressive, like you wanted some payback. I mean, just trying not...
You got me good. Got everything but the camera.
I was like, oh, Mr. Len.
So I got ya.
I was like, he's into it a bit more. I must have got him.
Yeah, that's why I passed you. I was going nice and easy, and then you throttled on and right in the mud going, oh, bastard.
Oh, what an accident.
No, good job, mate. You got me all over me. Anyway, this wasn't as good as what I thought it was going to be down here.
Yeah.
Good ride down.
I'm gonna go down.
Here we go. Found the other one. How could you miss that? There you go. I wonder if that's the one old mate was talking about. There you go. How good was that? I love coming up that Hawkins Hill.
There'll be some good shots in there.
Hey?
There'll be
Thank
some
you
good shots in there.
for sticking around right to the end. Look, it's obvious you must have liked the video because here you are at the end. Look, please hit the subscribe button. It does cost you nothing, and it does help us content creators, and it gives us a bit of enthusiasm to go out and make the next movie or the next upload for you guys to enjoy. Okay, thank you. As I say, stay upright.